What if we told you there's a secret in the world of Chinese off-road SUVs that's been revealed through spy shots and teaser images? Yes, you heard it right. BYD Company Limited, a publicly listed Chinese conglomerate manufacturing company with its headquarters in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China, has been a prominent player in the industry since its founding by Wang Chuanfu in February 1995. The company operates through two major subsidiaries, namely BYD Auto and BYD Electronic. Renowned as the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, BYD holds a significant presence in the automotive sector, producing a range of vehicles including battery electric and hybrid cars, buses, and trucks. Beyond automobiles, their portfolio extends to battery-powered bicycles, forklifts, solar panels, and various rechargeable batteries, which encompass mobile phone batteries, electric vehicle batteries, and bulk storage solutions. In an industry-defining move, on April 3, 2022, BYD Auto declared its commitment to focus exclusively on electric vehicles, marking a pivotal shift in their strategic direction. Amid the automotive landscape's ever-evolving demands, BYD made a groundbreaking announcement in June by introducing a fresh brand of electric vehicles designed to cater to a broad spectrum of consumer preferences. This new venture is none other than FCB Bao, which, when translated from Chinese, intriguingly combines the words formula and leopard. The Chinese EV powerhouse has set its sights on a grand unveiling, with the inaugural model internally referred to as SF, which hit the market this year. FCB Bao is known for the introduction of a range of specialized technologies, including the DMO Super Hybrid Off-Road platform. FCB Bao envisions a future where cutting-edge new energy technologies harmonize with diverse user preferences to unlock unparalleled driving experiences. Whether you're traversing the wilderness, racing on a track, navigating a bustling city, or cruising on highways, whether you seek occasional thrills or undertake daily commutes, FCB Bao aims to provide an exclusive driving experience for every scenario. To realize this vision, FCB Bao will harness BYD's top-tier technologies, forward-thinking design philosophy, and vertically integrated supply chain system to imbue each vehicle with distinctive, tailor-made possibilities. FCB Bao symbolizes the fusion of new energy and limitless potential, turning individuals' dreams into tangible reality. BYD's current lineup already boasts the Dynasty and Ocean series, featuring a wide array of pure electric and plug-in hybrid models, most of which come with price tags under 42,140.16 USD or 300,000 yuan. An interesting tidbit to note is that BYD has been outselling Volkswagen-branded cars in China, showcasing the surging popularity of its EV offerings. With an impressive 996,476 cars sold in the first 5 months of this year, nearly double the number from the previous year, it's clear that BYD is making remarkable strides. But BYD's quest for innovation doesn't end there. The company embarked on another ambitious journey earlier this year, launching a premium brand named Yangwang. Simultaneously, they've taken steps to fortify their expertise in autonomous driving by recruiting thousands of software engineers. This is a strategic move to bridge the gap with competitors like Tesla and stay at the forefront of cutting-edge automotive technology. Pictures of the sleek and compact electric SUV, known as the FCB Bao 3 from BYD, were recently released online. It's not just any vehicle, but a game-changer priced between 27,300 and 41,000 USD. This is the third gem in the FCB Bao lineup, a brand dedicated to off-road adventures by BYD between Denza and Yangwang in terms of cost. The first model, the Bao 5, also known as Leopard 5, made its grand entrance this year with a price range of 39,600 to 47,800 USD, and what's coming next year is bound to make your heart race. Two new companions for the Bao 5. First, the mighty Bao 8, a flagship SUV, is waiting to conquer the road. And second, the Bao 3 compact off-roader is ready to take you on thrilling adventures. In these leaked images, we get a glimpse of the Bao 3, which embraces the brand's design concept with a robust body structure. What catches the eye is the FCB Bao emblem and a relatively petite rectangular grille. A slender LED strip seamlessly connects its headlights. At the front, the Bao 3 sports a trapeze-shaped bumper, enhancing its ability to tackle tough terrain head-on. The vehicle also boasts retractable door handles and broad wheel arches decked out with protective plastic elements. When viewed from behind, the Bao 3 reveals a spare wheel neatly affixed to the rear door, accompanied by 2 horizontal LED taillights and a rugged rear bumper. An intriguing feature is the twin roof spoiler, adding a touch of style to the mix. When it comes to BYD's car designs, most folks are not particularly huge fans. Not to forget, BYD Auto has faced allegations of imitating designs from other manufacturers, with various articles making comparisons. Some have argued that the BYD F1 bears a strong resemblance to the Toyota Aygo. The BYD S6 closely resembles the Lexus RX, and the BYD F3 is viewed as a copycat of the Toyota Corolla. The BYD S8 has drawn parallels to the appearance of a Mercedes-Benz SL class, and the BYD F8 has been noted for its striking similarity to the front end of a Mercedes-Benz CLK and the rear of a Renault Megane CC. It's worth noting that in 2009, the U.S. government received advice from its consul general in Guangdong, China, indicating that BYD followed an approach of initially copying and then modifying car designs. Chinese courts, however, have ruled that BYD did not infringe on patents, which has been a point of contention in this matter. While people appreciate their practicality, for instance, the Dolphin is not a bad choice with its Honda Jazz-like practical shape. The boot space in the Honda Jazz is notably double the size of the Toyota CHR's boot, and as most people are family-oriented individuals, that matters to many car buyers. We often find ourselves pondering about the storage capacity and how well it accommodates our boards and our kids' bikes. However, the Bao 3 is a game changer. The Bao 3 takes a different approach with its spacious, boxy design. Apparently, it's set to be just a tad larger than the Atto 3, but significantly taller, offering more interior space as a result. This is a pivotal aspect that has got many excited. Price-wise, it is quite comparable to the BYD Seal, giving us a hint of where this model could be positioned if it were to hit markets beyond China. The Bao 3 isn't the only model in this series. There's also the Bao 5, which is essentially a larger version of the Bao 3. However, currently the Bao 5 only offers a plug-in hybrid version, which most people are not particularly enthusiastic about. Statistically speaking, plug-in hybrids tend to be less reliable and more prone to fire incidents, so they don't pique many interests. The big question remains whether it will make its way to international markets outside of China. It definitely has the potential to be a tremendous success. What are your thoughts on this? Share your opinions in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in. Until we meet again, bye.